Audio Jungle.
Welcome back. In this video we will download the required tools for this course. So first we need to download a simple text editor. In this course I will be use the Sublime text editor. So first we need to download the Sublime text editor. Okay, so for downloading the Sublime text editor, open your browser and go to google.com. okay, and after type here Sublime text 3. okay, because Sublime text 3 is the latest version of Sublime text editor. Now click on the first link, sublimetext.com. this is the official website of Sublime text editor. okay, so now friends, here you can see this link is for Mac operating system, and this one is for Windows, and this link is for Windows 64-bit. okay, so download Sublime text editor for your operating system. okay, and this link is for Linux operating system. okay, so I am a Windows 64-bit user, so I click on Windows 64-bit. okay, so just click on save file and download Sublime text editor and just install. So I have already the Sublime text editor, so download Sublime text editor and install. okay, and friends, you can use any editor like Notepad++, Bracket, Autumn text editor. okay, but in this course I will be use the Sublime text editor, and you can use any one. And second, we need local server, because in this course we will also use PHP. So for PHP we need to use local server. So for local server you can use XAMPP server, AMP server and WAMP server. So I will be use in this course XAMPP server. So now type here XAMPP. okay, so now click on the first link and download the XAMPP server. okay, so now here click on Windows here. okay, so now here just save file and download XAMPP server. Very simple. okay, and after install XAMPP server. So I have already the Sublime text editor and I have already installed, and also I have the XAMPP server. okay, so just print download XAMPP server and Sublime text editor and just install. okay, so in the next video we will download the Bootstrap and Bootstrap framework and jQuery library. okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next video.